Oh shit!
Mm. 5:21 a.m. I think it's time to go on an adventure. You're coming with me. Let's go.
Please like this video so I can get paid and get laser eye surgery so I don't have to do that every morning. I'm on the way to this waterfall and I've just so happened to be driving past this place, the monkey forest. I think we gotta go in. I don't even know if it's open yet, but there's monkeys. Look at these monkeys. Hello puppy. Hello puppy. Hello little puppy. Sorry. There's a fucking big old monkey there. Hello. Hello little puppy. Hello. Scared. Wow, man. Hello. Hello. Hello, little guys. There's loads of them. I'm gonna get. Oh shit, bro. Ah, I think he's gonna jump on me. Hey. Right, I left my phone on my bike and one of them was about to snatch my phone, I swear. Fuck me! Ow! Ah! Peak! Peak. Oh, landed literally on my finger. First steps and I stack it. Ow. Ah. Some of you may recognize this place from my music video. I've driven an hour back to this place to come and have a little morning meditation and absolutely vibe out by this incredible waterfall. Hopefully I don't stack it again and I can have a good time at this waterfall. Look at this view though. Oh my god. A valley. Mad. And I don't know if you can hear the waterfall yet. That is where we're going. Let's get it, baby. You. don't stack it. So I will actually die. And I'm alone with no phone service. And nobody knows that I'm here. Take my advice, you go on a little adventure by yourself, tell someone where you're going, end up like 127 hours. Mate, I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. Shit's so slippy. These are the steepest stairs. Okay, I'm actually gonna hold on now. I'm such an anti-handrail guy as well, but I'm not looking to break my finger again. Who remembers the bridge? Coming up to the big boy. Here we go. Oh my God! This is a joke now. This is getting ridiculous. There is zero grip. Oh my God. Wow. Look, man. Woo! My camera's getting misty even over here. This is the morning spot. Ow! Nothing better than a little solo morning adventure. I guess it's time, breakfast, meditate, and then I'm skinny dipping. I mean, look, I'm at a fucking waterfall alone. Like, there's not a single person here. I think it's the rules that I have to skinny dip. So, man's getting my cock out. Time to whip out my thingy. I am so grateful for this moment. I'm so grateful to be here right now. I hope this doesn't come across like I'm just taking a piss out of everyone that's like in Europe, in lockdown. I hope if anything, it gives you a chance to kind of escape from the lockdown and shit. Trust me, it's gonna be over very soon. Stay strong. Adventures like this are pending sooner than you think, I promise. It's time to fucking skinny dip! Experience. Oh, that was fun, man. I feel alive. Woo! My primal nature. I love this shit, man. I'm living! Goodbye, waterfall. I appreciate your hospitality. Okay, I think it's time to go home. Yeah, I'm off. Appreciate that last little reminder.
These are my free running shoes.
I have not worn these in about 3 months, and there is a reason for this. I have not done parkour in almost 3 months now. Finally, bringing these guys out of retirement. I've arrived. Whew. What a spot. Man, I've missed training, bro. Can you sit to meet these guys? Yo, yo! Yo!
Great, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man. Hi.
Great. Oh,
Yes,
he's all my
boys.
friend.
It's good, yes, yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yo, yo. I'm doing everyone. Yes, yes. like 3 months. And I stick it. Yeah. Right, got a bit of a challenge here. It's this hefty jump from this corner to this top wall. When you look at it, it looks small, but from here, it actually looks massive. Maybe we're gonna do it. I don't know.
It's gonna be our big day.
Are you gonna give it a go, yeah? Give it at least one shot. I reckon you got it, you know. Max power. Woo!
Silent mate. Done. Ah, bro.
Nah, slip.
Slip. Go mate. Go mate. Fucking hell, bro! Easy, bro. I'm gonna send that to. Fucking hell!
That's you. You got it now. You got it. It's not as bad as you think it is, honestly. Just full speed, full power, full commit.
Let's go, mate. Go!
Easy. We gotta stick it. That's what I'm saying. Improvements, man.
Well done, bro.
Yeah.
We got
That's
it.
what I'm saying. See, that's how it is, man. Pushing each other, getting through a mental barrier.
Fuck.
Like, that scared me. I'm not gonna lie. That scared me. I haven't trained in 4 months. And then here we go. Okay, now we gotta stick it.
Yeah, we gotta skate, bro.
Now we gotta stick it.
Ngetesnya pakai itu ya.
It's hard, right?
That's a stick. Let's go! Go.
One more.
Let's go!
That is what I'm saying. Good day, man. I knew it was gonna be good. Good vibes, good energy, good people. Okay, so these guys want to do dive front from this roof to the floor. This is big. I wouldn't do this, I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, boys. Let's go. Found it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro. Are you good? Bit of an over rotation.
He just landed straight to his face.
Are you alright? No problem. Respect for sending it. Respect.